Hello, this is Fold2Go Wheelchairs. I'm CEO Michelle. In this video, Go Drive video, we're going to talk about bus transportation. One of the advantages of your Fold2Go is that public transportation can strap onto any part of our frame. Aluminum frame chairs are not allowed on buses because the aluminum is not strong enough to strap down and tie down to the bus floor. But your Fold2Go is not made out of aluminum. It's made of a much stronger material. Here I am on a rental car shuttle bus, and as you can see, the bus driver has put the ramp up and now he will clip on to any part of my chair. Any part of the exposed frame will work. They'll tighten the straps down, and then you are secured in the chair to the floor of the bus. Here I am back at the airport, ready to catch my flight. And as you can see, the bus driver is unclamping all four straps, two in the back and the two in the front. One of the great things about your Fold2Go is transportation and portability. You can clamp onto a bus, you can take it on the airplane, take it on a cruise ship. The nice thing about maneuvering in a bus is the turning radius is super tight. It will do a 360-degree turn within itself. Here I am about ready to do a 180-degree turn to drive down the ramp and get off the bus. The maneuverability of your Fold2Go is outstanding, and you can accomplish the simple driving tips in difficult, tight areas.